arrive in style with this Jeep 2011 Wrangler Unlimited Sport. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6M2 order code, 4-speed automatic transmission included, 3.73 axle ratio hill descent control tip start transmission skid plate, 3.73 axle ratio, black easy folding soft top with sunroof feature, smokers group included, cigar lighter removable ashtray, deep tint sunscreen windows, 24S customer preferred order selection package included, 3.8L V6 engine 4-speed auto trans 17 inches x 7.5 aluminum wheels chrome leather wrapped shift knob deep tint sunscreen windows leather wrapped steering wheel P255/75 R17 on off-road OWL tires power door locks power